two turntables, two turntables, two turntables and a microphone, two turntables and a microphone. Cut some old Chrysler Dodge drums. I had a Dodge Daytona Omni style, I don't even know, wanted a drums machine, no problem. He also wanted the rotors machine, no problemo. I'll show you the finished product over here. So this is one, all machined up. It had some rust pinning in there, but I didn't want to whack the life out of it. It also had some hard spots that you can see in the rotor surfaces there, but that'll be perfectly fine. And then the old bearing race style drums, all machined up, nicey nice. Yeah, I'm just amazed how fast I actually got these things going. Maybe 10 minutes on the lathes. They weren't really that bad. I'll probably be able to do this in one cut. And yeah, I did the drums in one cut too. On speed 4 for drums. And then the rotor machine only has one speed. I think I have it set. So we're on the center hub on the belt drive there for the speed. This you can dial in your cross speed rate. I like a 4. The slower the better. Waka waka waka. A wacka wacka wacka. And then I'm going to use cookie pad and give it some type of non-directional finish. So, and just nothing crazy. I've seen guys go ultra crazy with a die grinder. I don't know how I feel about that for stopping power. So I like to just give it a nice, easy surface scuff with a Scotch-Brite pen. So these machines are old, but they do an amazing job. I rotated the bits the last couple rotors we cut. I was teaching Caleb how to do it. So I'm going to rotate them again and get even a better finish. So then this is almost finished too, and I use the same cookie pad on the inside. And then I just drag it back and forth. Yes, this is dangerous, I know. But this is how I've always done it. And give them back brake drums a non-directional finish too. And then we're going to wash them out with some water. Some guys like soap and water, well, whatever you want to do. I like water and dry them. You'd be surprised how much silver powder metal is still in the pores of your rotors once you wash them off. So warm soap and water is a great idea. Regular water works fine. That's it. And then these guys are going to have to, degrease the inner bearing races, get all the shavings off, clean and repack their bearings. That's all on them. Thanks for watching.